Don't give up so fast. Here's some ideas to try. First, we're going to do a big giant square. Now we're going to put in these curves we see here. You see that area? Okay, so that's a triangle in its essence. So we put a triangle there. You see those things? Those are like 3 bumps. We're going to throw in the 3 bumps. Okay, what's next? Look at, there's a shadow. Okay, so we're going to try to hint into the shadow. You can already see it coming to life. So that's the shadow. Now we're going to try to add more detail, right by our triangle. We have the forward banana, the bottom banana, and then there's that little banana in the back. It's a little darker, throw in some shade. Now there's that one shadow on the top banana. Throw that shadow in. Very quickly here, we're not trying to do, Picasso. Okay, then let's do a close-up of the detail that is in that triangle. So we got the stems, 3 stems. Wow, this is really fun, right? We'll place the stem connects. 2 bananas in front, one behind. The black thing that's at the tip of the stems. Wow, we really nailed it here. Look at that, a little shading in the back really brings it all together. We are on a roll. Then we got the little black things at the end, so we're gonna just squish them in with a little scribble. Sort of change the shape of our bumps into more of a banana shape. Just happen to have some paint here to fast forward this process. Any old cheap paint will do, like the kind that costs $2 at Walmart's fine. Now we've hinted at the color yellow. Here we're going to hint at the shadow. Throw in a couple more shadows. Wow, it's really coming to life. There's that black thing. We already did a practice of those stems. What could go wrong? Throw in a red background just for a little contrast. And out of time. Hope you enjoyed.